man, oh man, dude, double break even on this day, and both were winning ideas too. Like what the, dude, bro, this price action was just so atrocious. Like what the, bro, this shit's so fucking annoying. I swear I could have passed these damn evals if I would have just taken out like at a 1-to-1, and each and every one of these trades, I would have been past this fucking eval, bro. Oh my gosh, there's so many break evens and losses, dude. It's pissing me off. It's actually absurd. Excuse me, but anyways, May 20th, Wednesday trade recap. Both winning ideas as well. Like that shit is just annoying. Anyways, we'll get into the market open now. Let me hide these drawings, and we'll see what we got. So NQ. Am I? What? Okay. Well, we got very clear buy side here, which is previous day Asia high. Honestly, expecting kind of a market maker buy model. This isn't the cleanest. It's very sideways looking price action, but we did tap into a weekly fair value gap. So I'm expecting rejection out of that right there. I think we inverse the daily, but I mean, not putting too much mind to that. If we go to the 4-hour, swept this pretty obvious low here. I mean, besides this order block, there's really nothing else that's supporting this sweep here. Ooh, never mind, we didn't hit that. Maybe ES might have something. I don't know. Let's check. Doesn't have shit, bro. It doesn't have shit. All right. If we go to the hourly, well, let's finish going over the 4-hour. See if there's not a single imbalance in sight, bro. This price action is so horrible, dude. Like the whole price structure is just disgusting. But this manipulation leg does look nice. We are seeing some nice reaction out of here, and this reaction and this price action isn't gonna tell me that we're bullish. It's mostly just the DOL. Like it's very obvious to me that we're gonna come to this buy side draw. So yeah, that's that. We do have this really thin hourly imbalance. We have this hourly order block paired with this untapped hourly gap down there. So that's something I can look in terms of sell side targets is really just this hourly gap. I don't really want to target this. This is, I don't know. It's just protected to me basically, and this is the most obvious DOL for the day. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we can go ahead and show the drawings now and then quickly get into it. All right, dude, this is annoying. I can't even. When is this ever gonna freaking work, bro? This is actually. I don't even know if it's a trading view problem. It might just be me. Like my mouse or whatever. All right, so market open. I don't remember it looking like this. Oh, this is from like a while ago. Why the fuck did it take me all the way back here, bro? What the fuck? Oh my gosh, bro. Little shit like this is gonna start pissing me off. Alright, anyways, we have an untapped 15-minute above us. Alright, we did inverse this 15-minute here. So we do look pretty short. I would like to see a manipulation lower, or any type of any manipulation lower, just because this high is technically, I don't want to just keep saying everything is protected, but it's a lot more high resistant than if we left relatively equal highs up here. That would have been much better. But since we do have this high resistant high up here, and we inverse the 15 minutes, something tells me that I would like to see shorts play out. Maybe even if just coming lower into what we already did. But if we get a reaction out of this 15 minute, that wouldn't be too bad. But I would just really like to see this hourly get hit. So honestly, just waiting, seeing what we get. I really don't like any long here because just we have too many fair value gaps, and by the time we get it, I already know we're gonna hit the 15-minute. So yep, exactly, just that. Within 2 candles, already running up, we're pumping, and this is where I'm kind of hesitant on taking a trade. All right, I'm watching this 5-minute, but the markets are uncorrelated. Like Dude, this is NQ is just pumping and ES is dumping. Like what? What in the uncorrelation? All right, I went a little bit too far. So here we do get a 1 minute inverse right there, up here. Let's check the 2 minutes. See what we got going on here. We got a 2 minute up here that gets inversed, and yeah, there's 2 minute down here. See, this looks really nice until you pay attention to this fat fucking wick to the upside. And my mouse is already. Let me just disconnect it and connect it again. See what happens. Nope, it's a TradingView thing. Has to be. Alright, anyways. Yep, just major uncorrelation here. So, not looking to take anything. I really wanted to take this long just because this buy side was so obvious to me and this was my main DOL. Glad I waited and stayed out. Because we got a fucking death candle here, bro. Insane death candle. Alright, now, when I took this, maybe I could have risked a little bit more. Because, I mean, this alone wasn't even a 1.5. I took this on eval on the 150k, so should have risked more. I mean, even if I did, it wouldn't have really mattered because this 1.2 didn't even get hit, so. Yeah, went break even at this low here. I think, actually, I went break even at this low instead. Just because I've noticed a lot of break evens have been getting hit and then running to full TP, so I get this a bit more room to breathe, but of course that didn't matter. Then of course the one time I fucking do that doesn't matter, right? So you get heavy rejection. I think at this point in time we have an SMT. Yeah, we have an SMT at the hourly, but this looks really solid for longs. ES looks beautiful if we get this inversion here. So just waiting. NQ actually ends up going lower. It looks like we're gonna hit this hourly, but nope. Just runs straight back up, right? Alright, we form this 1 minute order block here. Waiting for this IFEG to present itself. The 2 minute gets edged. Alright, 2 minute got edged right there. But we do end up closing up here. And then the 1 minute happens a little bit before the 2 minute. Now, the reason why I like this entry a lot is because, for one, great break-even point, right? We're not going break-even at this swing high, all right? Because this high is not significant at all, which I've noticed I've been doing lately. I've been going break-evens at insignificant, like, highs and lows. This is a perfect break-even point because this is the buy side, that high resistant, that if we hit this in reverse, I don't see a reason why we should reverse, especially with the buy side. Target all the way up here. There's just no reason for us to come up here, down, just to go back up again. Once this gets hit, I'm expecting to flush all the way up until here. Now, this is my main TP, right? Of course, I extended it to be able to, you know, take full profit for the day on the eval. And maybe I should have just closed here. That should have definitely been the call because I would have at least been up something. But anyways, honestly, my stop was under this order block. I wanted this to have, you know, room to breathe. I didn't want to retrace and get wicked out and then run up to TP. So this is not even a bad stop loss. And this is honestly, damn, dude. Okay, it was a 1-to-1. Fuck, bro. I thought we could at least just flush up a little more. Like, there's no way we take liquidity like this, bro, with a full body close with a very little wick. Like, what are the chances of that happening? All right, and then we run down. Right, this short here, I don't like this just because this does not look like a clean manipulation. There's absolutely no wick. And plus, another reason why I had confidence that we would run higher is because ES had lots of low resistance built up on this higher time frame. So right here, all the way down here, lots of low resistance. We took this out. I'm expecting at least, you know, a little bit push higher. There's no way we didn't. We also had an untapped 15 minute on ES, or not on ES, I'm sorry, on NQ. All the way over here, I need to delete these old drawings. We got an untapped 15. Wait, was it untapped? Yes, it was. That wick, or the text is hiding the wick. Now I wasn't expecting us to come all the way up here, but dude, just a little fucking push, bro. Didn't even need that much. I was like half an RR away. Like, oh my gosh, that's so annoying. But Anyways, I wanted to take this short here again because we started seeing bearish price action here, and it's very obvious that the next DOL would be this untapped hourly that we edged earlier. So really looking forward to that getting hit, and was confident in it, but you know, with the price action, I wasn't really liking how price was moving. We run up here, uncorrelated. We give a really clean distribution short, and the DOL was obvious. Came down, edged it, then we ran back up. We give a really clean long here. I mean, it did hit the target and everything, but I just was expecting to go higher. I wasn't expecting to go lower, so I had no idea what was going to be in store here. I didn't know if we are going to edge this again, so I stayed out. We gave a 1 minute right there. We gave a 2 minute all the way up here and down there. 3 minute maybe. Right there. And that seems to be it, but of course this shit hit. Well, actually, this probably would have stopped me out because if the target's right here, I need a 1.5. Okay, maybe I would have done that. I would have probably done something like this. Let's actually see if it would have stopped me out. And then I would have to, of course, extend. That shit would have wicked me the fuck out, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. This price action is just, it's so atrocious, bro. It literally has me stuttering right now. We do give a long off of here, but this, again, just a huge wick to the upside. Rejecting out of that imbalance right there. I really don't, once we get this though, this is, I don't know, this is kind of light bulb though. A sweep, inversion of that gap there. Let's see if we have any other time frame gaps. I mean, we are inside of a 5 minute. It's pretty dangerous to take that. But I mean, if you're up to a risk, I mean, I would definitely see it if we left this buy side open. I would definitely see this being a really A+ setup. But the fact that we already took this high out, price is kind of just doing its own thing. I have literally no fucking clue. This shit looks like pre-market. Just, I don't even know, bro. It looks horrible. Okay, so that's why this is, I don't count this really as a setup. It's a good pattern setup, I guess. I don't even know if you would consider this a pattern setup. I don't know. It's light bulb. I don't know how to explain it, but just the fact that we already swept this out and price action's dog shit, I wouldn't really consider this a trade. And then afterwards, let's see what else happened for the rest of Killzone. Maybe this is a 5 minute continuation model. Fucking course, bro. Whenever I get off the charts, we always give some bullshit, bro, that plays out. Actually, no, this did not play out. I'm tripping. Stop could have been at that low. Maybe there's a 2 minute. Okay, it doesn't look like there's anything else. Okay, well, this did hit for a 1.25. Oh my gosh, bro. Fucking sick of price action, bro. We better get something good today. But anyways, that's really gonna be it. There's really nothing else to go over. Pretty shit day. We can edge that 15 right there. But yeah, market opens. We're pretty uncorrelated, staying out of the markets for now, and then we just get this very clean distribution lower, clear DOL towards the unmitigated hourly. So took that, ended up failing. Got break even, and then I like the price action we formed here. Now, instead of us just bull running through this, I like that we actually formed this here. We formed this order block to give us a good stop loss, okay? It wasn't just a huge ass candle where we have to have a big stop, right? This order block gave us a really good stop loss. Really good candle here because we also broke structure and inverse this 1 minute, of course, and then just very clear DOL up here. And then once we hit that, we kind of just started chopping around. We came back down to the hourly, and bull ran up and then chopped around. So that's pretty much it for this recap, and I'm gonna end it here. And yeah, gonna get ready for this new trading session on Thursday. Hopefully we can actually catch a win this time. So that's gonna be it, and I'm out. Peace.